Hey friends, a lot of users have reported that they are either not able to access virus and threat protection on Windows security, or they're not able to open Windows security at all. So the procedure is search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and click on this option and then click on virus and threat protection. Now there can be a few cases to this. So in my case it says McAfee, and we have all of these options here, but there's nothing that I can do to change the virus and threat protection settings. If this is the case with you, if a third party application is the one preventing it, then right click on start, select settings, go to apps, go to installed apps, type the name of that app which is interfering. Like in my case it's McAfee, and right click on it and select uninstall, and then uninstall it. Okay, and uninstall all of these. Once you uninstall them, you will be able to access the virus and threat protection tab. Let me check it for you once again. Yeah, it will appear once we uninstall it. Now the second thing is that you don't even find it when you search for it. Like you search for Windows security, but there's no app called Windows security here. Okay, so what would you do in such a case? In such a case, you can search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and click on Registry Editor. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. If it prompts, click on Yes. Then go to HKey Local Machine, go to Software, scroll down, go to Policies, go to Microsoft, and then go to Windows Defender. Now here's what you have to do. Right click on the Windows Defender folder, select Delete, click on Delete, and then right click on the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. When you restart your computer, it will need a while, but it will pick the Windows Security app, and then you will be able to open it with new settings on your computer, and that third party application will be gone as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.